Yeah. What? What for? So what's up? Yeah. Yeah, let him know. Yeah. Yeah, cause we cool like that. Tell him, Kwame. Cause we cool like that. Let him know. Yeah. Tell him. Right there. Tell him.
What you think you are? Cause we grown like that, mister. Cause we work like that.
Yeah. In your face. We're gonna go back to watching cars right now.
Yeah. What do that?